The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department. Residents of Long Beach, lock all of your doors immediately. At 1:16 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, police have gotten reports of murder in the City Place Shopping Center. This was said to be caused by a random individual roaming around the City Place Shopping Center. Police have not yet identified any information about this individual. In addition, this individual is extremely dangerous. There were about 10 people that were attacked or killed by this individual. If you see this individual anywhere near you, call 911 immediately. Do not approach this individual for any reason, as this individual is too dangerous. If you for some reason approach this individual, run away as fast as you can, and go into the nearest building. Stay tuned to local media for further information.
Civil danger for the city of Long Beach. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department. This is an update to the dangerous situation occurring at the City Place Shopping Center in Long Beach. As of 2:04 p.m., there were more reports of the individual roaming around the City Place Shopping Center. There were also more reports of murder inside the El Supermarket located on Long Beach Boulevard. It was reported as well that the suspect was carrying a sword in the colors of red, black, and yellow. He was last seen entering the El Supermarket, holding the workers hostage, killing a total of 26 hostages inside the supermarket. Police have entered the supermarket after a 911 call was received from inside of the store. While police were observing the inside of the supermarket, one of the officers have identified that the suspect responsible for the murder did not look like a human being at all. Police have identified that the suspect was a human in the shape of a canine. No further information is available at this time. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information about this dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department. The suspect that was responsible for the murders in the City Place Shopping Center has been identified by the police and public. The suspect has been identified as Midnight Shadow, a 16-year-old male, a human in the shape of a fox, 5 feet 8 inches tall, 125 pounds. He was last seen with very dark gray fur with red ear tips, red tail tips, red eyes, wearing white gloves with gold rings and red cuffs, red, white, and black boots, and a red bandana. The public has identified that this individual is extremely fast and dangerous and should not be approached. He was last seen running around downtown Long Beach at very high speed, brutally killing anyone he sees in his side with a fighting sword. He has killed a total of 76 people by running extremely fast and slicing them. Police are currently trying to stop and detain the individual. It was also said that once the individual sees you, there isn't really a way to run away from him. The best way to avoid him is to stay out of his sight, and do not let him look at you at all. All residents are advised to stay in your homes, and continue to monitor local media outlets for more information.
following message is transmitted at the request of the Long Beach Police Department. An extremely dangerous situation is taking place at the Pike Outlets, located on Pine Avenue. About 12 minutes ago, the individual, known as Midnight Shadowtail, has gone into a shootout with police, while holding everybody else hostage. As of right now, only 2 injuries were reported. As of right now, it advised that you stay away from the Pike Outlets area, as police are trying to stop this individual. If you are concerned about your safety, you may evacuate to another area. Continue to monitor local media outlets and radio stations for any more information. An administrative message from the Long Beach Police Department. The suspect, known as Midnight Shadowtail, that was responsible for the murders in downtown Long Beach, along with the hostages held, has been shot in the leg after 7-minute shootout with police at the Pike Outlets. While the shootout was occurring, Midnight Shadowtail shot and injured only 2 hostages while in the shootout with police. After Midnight Shadowtail was shot in the leg, the police have successfully detained and confiscated his weapons, along with arresting him successfully. The danger of Long Beach residents is over. All residents are now free to exit their homes.